In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in just 7 days. And the good news about this strategy is that all you need to get this done is your mobile phone. You don't need a computer at all. So if you are just starting out, if you are just starting a YouTube channel, or you already own a YouTube channel but you are not monetized yet because you've not hit your 4,000 watch hours and your 1,000 subscribers yet, this video is for you. Just relax and follow these steps and you'll get your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in just 7 days. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the tutorial. So before we start, there are 2 requirements for this strategy. Number 1 is your mobile phone. So you need a mobile phone to do this. And number 2 is that you need 50 subscribers. Now, I know if you're just starting out, you don't have 50 subscribers, or you may have less than 50 subscribers. If you're in this category, there's something you can do. Upload 2 to 3 shots every day for 7 days and you'll have up to 50 subscribers or even more. Trust me, do this consistently for 7 days. 2 or 3 quality shots for 7 days back to back, and you're going to have 50 or more subscribers. That is settled. For those that have 50 subscribers or above, you are good to go. So after getting the 2 requirements ready, just follow this guide I'm about to show you step by step without missing out anything. And if you do, you will come back to testify. So I'll bring up my screen recorder now and show you this strategy. So open your browser on your mobile phone and go to studio.youtube.com. So just open, it could be any browser, you can use Chrome or any browser you want to use. Go to studio.youtube.com. That's your YouTube Studio dashboard. Okay. So when the page opens, some people might have issue with accessing the Studio dashboard directly like this. It may be redirecting to your YouTube Studio app. So if you're having this challenge, just uninstall your YouTube Studio app for now. So after implementing the strategy, you can install it back. Okay, so because we need to open it on a browser like this. Okay, so after opening it like this, the next thing you want to do is, let me zoom in so you can see what I'm showing you. Just come to this live icon you can see up here, this icon, this round icon. So tap on that icon. Okay, so when you tap on it, you're going to have these 2 options as you can see on the screen. So these options, the first one is saying right now, go live right now, and the second one is saying later date. So we're going to use the later date. Okay, so click on start, and when you click on start, you're going to have another 2 options. So the first one is if you want to use built-in camera or you want to use streaming software. Now we are going to click on the second option. So after clicking on the second option, you are going to have this page. Now, if you look to the top left corner, you are going to see 3 options there. So you are going to see stream, webcam, and manage. So you are going to click on that stream. That stream is where we want to implement this strategy. So go ahead and tap on stream, as you can see on the screen. So the stream page has opened, and if you have any pop-up like this, you can just go ahead and close the pop-up. What we need is this page on the left hand side. Let me bring it close. Yeah, this page right here. That is the page we want to work with. Now, don't tamper with the settings you see on that page. You just leave it the way it is. Okay, now the only thing we need to copy, let me just close this. If you look closely under the stream settings, as you can see on the screen right there, under the stream settings, we have stream key. Okay, we have stream key, and under the stream key, we have default stream key into bracket RTMP, variable. You can see that. Okay, now you need to pay attention because any mistake you do here is going to affect the whole thing. So below it, you see something like a password. All right, now if you look to the right, you can see copy. You first see reset, then copy. Under there are other copy, but this first copy is what we need. The copy in front of this password stuff. So this particular copy, just tap on that copy. So after copying that, just go ahead and minimize this. We are done with that page. Now go to your Play Store and search for live now. Live now. Now you will see different apps, okay, but the one we want to make use of is this particular one. So get it installed on your phone. For me, I've installed it. So the next thing you want to do is to open it. So if you have the app on your phone before, just go ahead and open it. But if you don't have it, just install it and open the app. Remember, we have copied the stream key previously, okay? So when the app opens like this, you can see live stream up to 4K. So just go ahead and click next and then click done. So just go ahead and give it all the permission needed for it to function properly. In this case, it's asking me to give it the permission to display over other apps. So just go ahead and give it that permission. Just scroll down and locate it. This is it here. Tap on it and then turn on the toggle. So also tap on allow. Just give it all the possible permissions for it to work properly. You can see that you can use this app to live stream multiple platforms at the same time. But for the sake of this strategy I'm about to show you, we are only using YouTube. So click on YouTube, as you can see here. So when you click on YouTube, it's going to request that you either log in or use stream key. Remember, we have copied our stream key. So tap on stream key, the second option. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. Now on this page, it already has a link up here, the first link. On the second box here is requesting for our YouTube stream key, which we have copied. So go ahead and paste the stream key we have copied. For me, this is my stream key. I'll go ahead and paste it, then click on next. So I'll click on next. Now on this page, it's asking if you want to use stream camera or stream broadcast or want to use a video. For this strategy, we are using a video. So you select the third option. So go ahead and select the third option. Then pay attention to the instructions shown below here. It says video must be under 1 gigabyte and not longer than 60 minutes. So the video you are using must be less than 60 minutes and the size should be lesser than 1 gigabyte. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on next, and it's requesting for another permission. So just go ahead and give it the permission. Click on while using the app. So after giving it that permission, click on next. So after clicking next, it will take you to your phone storage to select the video you want to make use of. Now for this strategy, you need a portrait video. What I mean by that is the video you're going to use should be in this format, a portrait video like this, and not a landscape video like this, okay? Use a portrait video. Another thing you need to put into consideration is that you need to use your own unique content. You need to use your own video to avoid copyright issues. So go ahead and select the video you want to use. For me, I'll just select this my 10 seconds video. I just made the video now for the purpose of this illustration. So select the video you want to use. I recommend you use a shorter video. You can just use 10 seconds video just like mine here. So just get your own unique 10 seconds video or 20 seconds video and select it just as I have done like this. Now if you look closely, top left corner of this video, you will see an arrow, 2 arrows there. If you look closely, you are going to see those 2 arrows. Now the strategy, what we want to do is we want to keep this video on a loop. Don't go ahead to start the stream yet. We want to keep this video on a loop. Now, the more it's giving that loop, it's going to be creating more watch hours for you. So you set it on loop. That top left corner, that icon on the top left corner, just tap on it. So once you tap on it, you have activated the loop feature. So it's going to keep, repeating that video over and over and over again. That way, it will give you more watch hours. So after activating the loop feature, top left corner, like I've just showed you, you go ahead and click on the start now. When you click on start now, the stream will start. And what that means is it will keep playing, it will keep streaming this video over and over and over. By doing so, you start getting more watch hours. And in no time, your 4,000 watch hours will complete. Now for this to be very easy and fast for you, I recommend you do this every day, minimum 5 hours. Every day you stream it like this for 5 hours, and in 7 days you are going to have minimum 4,000 watch hours. So as this stream is going on, people will be coming to your stream, be liking your stream, and also subscribing. So as they are doing that, you are getting your subscribers, and within this space of 7 days you are going to achieve your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So after finishing your stream for the day, just go ahead and close the stream by canceling the stream up here. Just look top right corner here, you're going to see an X sign there. You close your stream there once you are done with your stream for the day. So I recommend you do this minimum 5 hours daily. If you can do more than 5 hours, it's better for you. That way you can even get your 4,000 watch hours before the 7 days interval. So if you are going to try this strategy I just gave you, let me know in the comment section. And if you are not going to try it, also let me know, and I will give you reasons why you should do this. My channel is monetized already, and I'm using this strategy currently to monetize my second channel, and it's working. So try it out and let me know. Thank you for watching this tutorial, guys. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. Also share this tutorial with your friends so it can help them get their 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers very fast and get their channel monetized. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.